Hi, Dearious.
Hello.
What's she doing? Dearious is going to change Cayenne's clutch lever, because it's not supposed to look like that. And
That's custom.
her foot peg. You're gonna mess up the paint though, aren't you?
No.
It looks like it. Oh, what was that? What's that? Was that paint?
Because you said something. Ruined it. It needs to be right in the middle. Oh, come on. Okay. Seriously? That's what you're gonna do now?
You were going the wrong way, weren't you?
No. Maybe. We won't say anything.
I got it on camera.
No. Edit that out.
Look at all that black paint coming off.
I don't know what you're talking about, dude.
Well, they used to be black and now they're not.
What are you talking about?
We just noticed that Cayenne has a nail in her rear tire, so that's awesome.
Okay.
What?
Huh?
Oh, you got it off? So now are you gonna have to readjust the clutch, like...
Yeah, I have to reset the tension.
So you think hers is rideable to Sloan's? I mean, we did.
You know
it
how
once.
we escorted you with...
Yeah.
Yeah, this one would definitely need an escort.
Yeah.
Your bike was more precautionary. This one's more, I don't want to be riding this. Come out. By the power of Asgard, I command thee.
And that's what you said when you got it out. It's great, because that's totally going in.
Dude, I need a towel.
Cool. You messed it up, didn't you?
No.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Hold on, do it again. Well, this is Cayenne's bike, so...
Hey, get your hands ready. Hold that.
Okay.
Thank you. Such a nice guy.
Mm-hmm.
What a lovely young man he's turned out to be. I knew he was going to be a good man one day. Gonna get him a pretty young lady and have a family and everything. Okay. In the bolts, please. There we go.
This?
Yeah, that now. There we go. I need my nuts. This has a washer and a special booty for it.
A booty?
A booty.
Alright.
They didn't say this was the hard part. Okay. There we go. Oh, this one's got a Loctite. I guess that's a good thing. You don't want it coming off going down the road.
Yeah, that would suck.
And just make sure I tighten up the tension in the cable first before we go.
It looks so weird now with a straight lever.
I know.
It looks like it stands out so far.
Dude, that actually feels a lot better though.
Does it?
Yeah. Versus it being so tight from factory. And you know, this is how you adjust it. If you want how tight you want the pressure in your clutch.
Mm-hmm.
The washer goes under.
So you gotta take it all out?
Yeah.
Awesome. Pro mechanic, Dearious.
No, that doesn't go down here because then it'll just go over that. It was on top. It was just not seating right.
You can't say that on the channel.
Barnacles.
It's okay, I started bleeping stuff in videos now and it's so much fun.
It's good.
Yeah, it looks like it's kinda, I don't remember it wiggling like that. That seems loose.
That's tension in the wire. Tighten that up. It'll still do that. I have to tighten the wire up.
Okay, so it will go away?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this one's wobbly. I'm gonna go check mine.
Yes. Stop playing it. I realize what this is now. It's a lock. Let's tighten up.
Is it good?
Yep.
What are we doing to your bike?
Dearious is fixing the left brake, no, not brake.
Foot peg.
Foot peg, that's what it's called.
Jack
He's
peg.
fixing the left foot peg because I snapped it in half when I laid my bike to the side. Very.
What do you say to Dearious?
Thank you.
That's the first time she said thank you.
You should have seen her face when she said it. She was like, thank you, I guess.
I got you. Come on. You're ugly. Your mother's ugly. Your sister's ugly. Your whole family's ugly. Okay, so look.
Looking.
You see this thingy?
Yep.
How it goes through here? I have to push this thingy through this thingy.
Yeah.
It's being stupid. Spin around.
Well, it's bent.
Well, of course it's bent. It's all stupid. I don't like you. How does it even fit in that little hole? That doesn't make sense. Look on yours, Josh. Yours is just a little pin. There's no
No, it's
hole.
still bent. You have to bend them back before you pull it out. See, they bent it around, so you have to bend it back and make it straight, and then you just pull it out.
See, you know what you're doing. Why'd you need me? Okay, you bend it back. So that way you're responsible for bending that. And if you hyperextend it and it breaks, that's your fault.
Great. Douche.
I know what happens when you bend metal. And then it breaks. If he breaks that, that's his fault. I'm not being responsible for that.
Well, why don't you do it?
Well,
What?
because
Does it not come with another one?
you have to bend it back. No, it does not. It doesn't come with any parts in there. You're even missing this part. The dragger. It doesn't come with that.
Why not?
So still it's set.
Why?
Because they're stupid.
What part did you say that it didn't come with?
The dragger.
Are you serious?
Seriously.
Oh yeah, I think we did look. Yeah, that is dumb. I don't know why it wouldn't come with that. It screws in right there.
Oh.
So I guess we're gonna have to find one. Whoa. Take it easy.
I heard you went too up on Christmas. Touching that baby.
What do you mean you heard? You should have seen. It's a video.
Is it?
Yeah.
I was a Minion and he was Deadpool.
You don't watch our videos, Dearious. It's kind of disappointing.
I don't have Wi-Fi, and when I use my data, it's gone.
You could just come over here and watch it whenever you want.
Very true. Then I feel pressured.
Come on. I can't grab this like you grab the other one.
See? Have you ever sat on that seat? Probably when you first got it, didn't you? Because he brought it home.
No, she drove.
Did she really?
Yeah.
Have y'all done it reversed yet?
No.
Why? It would be funny. That'd be a
It'd be funny, but she's not ready for that.
He's doing it.
Come on.
Did you bend it?
Yeah, it's straight. I just.
Now you gotta pull it through.
Yeah.
You gotta straighten the legs up. The legs.
I know, and it's difficult. It's really hard.
And you gotta remember not to hyper stress them.
I know. And that's what makes it hard.
That's why I let you do it, because I'm not going to be in trouble for a partner. Because you see what happens when Josh does stuff on his own?
Shut up.
It spins.
Well, I tried to get you over here, douche.
Yeah, he did.
He did.
I need help.
Okay. Did you get it?
No.
Okay.
That's why I said I need help. I feel like it should have came with a little pen.
I feel like it should have came with a lot of stuff. I don't like you. Got it.
Got it.
Did you get it? Oh, jeez.
That's gonna be a bitch getting back in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so difficult to get it completely straight and forward.
That's all it is.
That's it.
That's it. Look at it. It's ugly. How's this going on again? Joke, I think. I don't know. If you like my body and you think it's sexy, come on, baby.
What was that?
Okay, alright.
Okay.
That's all?
That's all. Give me that.
Awesome.
Went through. Now bend it back. It's done. Okay, Ann.
Not done.
Okay.
The stupid pin was the hardest part.
Okay, you can bend the rest of that. That thing's stupid. Hold on a moment. This was teamwork. It took the four of us.
The four of us.
The four of us. That's yours.
Cool. Done.
You did it.
Alright.
Flat. Is it flat?
Yep.
Oh,
It's
flat.
pretty flat.
No. Okay, yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Sweet.
There's nothing else I could do.
Get on it.
Cool.
Josh, you gotta stand
Alright.
on it. Put some pressure on it. Jump on it.
So, it didn't come with the little, what did you call it?
It's the dragger for the ground.
Dragger. Yeah.
Like when you lean over.
Which is so stupid. It just screws in there. I don't know why that wouldn't come with it. What?
I thought you were gonna take your.
Nope. That thing. Why it wouldn't come with it, I don't know.
But that's on there.
Yep.
And we did
So
it.
now we just need to get that, and then we need to get this, switch that out, and your tire.
That I looked.
So yeah, this is the
Yeah, pan.
the only other
You
thing
see,
here.
this is your center drive line,
Mhm.
and that's like minimum wear, and all this is just bare. It's still got wax on it. That's a chicken strip.
Mhm.
You see Josh's? He's got 3 layers, and his chicken strips are all the way out here.
Mhm.
Haven't really had a chance to go
It's called riding on the edge.
riding on the edge, can you?
Do I go around big turns?
It's kind of
I go
hard.
straight, curve a little bit, straight. That's it. Where can I do that crap?
Okay,
Me.
I think we're done.
Yeah, that looks ugly.
Someone wish a white paint stick and we'll make faces and stuff on it. Hi.
Some of the stuff you say.
That's yours.
Darius,
Huh?
thanks for changing that out.
You're welcome.
In your fancy white skinny pants.
You're welcome. Oh, wait, you're welcome.
Thanks, Barrett.
Yeah. It's a rare moment. You got that, right?
Yeah. All right, Can, we're one step closer on your bike.
Yeah, now I just gotta get a tire. Bye.
Bye.
It still doesn't make my dress
Say bye.
fly off.
Say bye. You're talking about your dress. Say bye.
Bye.